Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to remove a language in Chrome on your PC. Let's dive into the simple steps to remove unwanted languages. Step 1. Start by opening Chrome on your PC. Step 2. Once Chrome is open, locate the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 vertical dots, also known as the More button. Go ahead and click on it. Step 3. A drop-down menu will appear. From the options available, select Settings. This will take you to the Chrome Settings page. Step 4. Now that you're in the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Languages section. Click on it to open the language settings. Step 5. In the language settings, you'll see a list of languages that are currently added to Chrome. Find the language you want to remove and click on the More button next to it. Step 6. Finally, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Remove. This will remove the unwanted language from Chrome. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily remove unwanted languages from Chrome on your PC. Keep your browser settings clean and efficient. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.